Now that you know how to write conditionals, let's discuss the operators that make those conditionals powerful. Logical and comparison operators. Let's first discuss about comparison operators. Comparison operators compare two values and return a Boolean, true or false. Examples: equal equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Use them to evaluate expressions like age greater than 18. It returns true if age is greater than 18. Now, if you want to check age greater than equal to 18, it will return true only if age is greater than equal to 18. Next, let's discuss about logical operators. Logical operators combine conditions and it returns true when both conditions are true, or it returns true at least one of them must be true. Not, it reverses the truth value. This helps in creating complex logic. Let's combine all of these together. Age equals 20. Country equals, let's say India. I am from India. So if age is greater than equal to 18 and country equals India, you can print eligible voter. So now, if both the conditions are true, then only the message will be printed. Let's take a look at a not example. Logged in, we are creating here a variable logged in equals false. So we are checking if not logged in, print please log in. This runs only if logged in is false. Very useful for authentication logic. Alright, in our next lecture we will discuss about while loop.